Blossom Bariatrics has established an international reputation in its field. Patients come from all over the United States, Canada and further afield here to Blossom Center in Las Vegas. And I'm very pleased to say that I'm now joined by Blossom's founder, Dr. Thomas Umbach.
Well, thank you very much. Thank you for joining us.
Let's start with that international reputation. What's the key difference, do you think, that attracts patients here to Blossom?
The key difference is patient care. You have to have a foundation of good surgical expertise and experience. That's just the foundation. But on top of that, you have to have outstanding patient care. So patients have to be able to get a hold of you, they have to be able to contact you, they have to feel like they know you and trust you before they even leave their hometown. And we provide that. We contact patients. I'm usually on the phone with them, talking to folks, who knows, they may be in New Hampshire, they may be in the Marshall Islands. We call them ahead of time, we let them know exactly what's going to happen so they have no concerns.
So what are the benefits that bariatric surgery brings to patients? How can it enhance their lives?
Well, bariatric surgery is the most powerful operation out there, which is why I'm passionate about it, because I can help somebody not only get rid of one medical problem, or two, or three, or maybe even four. So with surgery, it's not common after surgery, 6 months after surgery, folks come back, they've lost their diabetes, sleep apnea, high blood pressure, painful knees and ankles. We do surgery, we lose the weight, and all these things get better, and they finally blossom and start living life and enjoying life. So that's the most powerful surgery that I know. That's why I do it.
And you treat patients very much as individuals, especially if they need reassurance.
Absolutely. We have a very unique practice here. I actually give patients my cell phone number. I think that's very important, particularly if you're going to be treating patients from afar. They need to be able to get in contact with you and answer any question at any time. So we provide that personal touch that you won't find anywhere else. When I meet with them, for example, I'm not a doctor looking down at someone on a gown, but I'm sitting across the table from them and we have a conversation. So we treat people like individual people.
Tell me about the range of post-surgery programs you've developed here and how they can help patients.
Okay, well, we're really excited about that. We have recently brought on a full-time nutritionist, and part of her task is to develop a program for patients out of state. So she'll be available on the internet, she'll be available by phone for personal questions and consultations. And in addition to that, we're also developing support groups on the internet for our patients as well, so they have the resources that we have here out of state.
Of course, recovery can be relatively quick, so do some patients decide to combine treatment with a vacation right here in Las Vegas?
Absolutely. That's why I'm here, because they're able to have surgery, they're able to recover virtually painlessly, and as a result, they're out enjoying the casinos, or they're out sightseeing at the Hoover Dam, or they're maybe even out shopping. So absolutely, patients are able to enjoy all that Vegas has to offer.
Finally, what advice would you give to anyone considering bariatric surgery?
I think you have to do your homework. You really need to find a truly experienced bariatric surgeon out there, because our skills are different. You need to find somebody that's done a lot of surgeries, and by lots I mean thousands, so they've seen everything. You have to find somebody that's able to sew with their own hands, because a lot of surgeons, although they're bariatric surgeons, they still can't sew laparoscopically, for example. So once you've done all that, then you find yourself a good surgeon.
Dr. Thomas Umbach, thank you very much.
You're very welcome. Thanks.